Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Today I'm doing a sticker haul. Every month I get myself the Sara Marie Stickers mystery kit. I keep saying that I'm going to skip a month and I never do. So this is the sticker kit for the month of August. So if you bought the sticker kit and you're not ready to see it, come back and watch me later. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this up. She does a mystery kit every month. It's 3 sheets. And I'm always curious to see what she comes up with. Sometimes she does add some extras. I think one time we got a bookmark. That's my invoice. One time we got a bookmark, so yeah. And then you get a freebie in here, of course. So right away, I can tell you, I love the colors. And I gotta start using my stickers from other places because yeah. If you watch my Playing With Me's, you know I make my own stickers, but I have to start using stickers that I've bought. So, disclaimer, this haul video and my next couple of haul videos will all be birthday hauls. I didn't want to put it all in the same video because the video would have been 2 hours long and nobody wants to sit through that. So I'm going to break them up into different videos for each company. And yeah, I splurged on my birthday, including going to Dragon Con. So yeah. All right, so let's see what we got. This is the freebie. I need to take my glasses off so I can make sure that you all can see. This is the freebie, right? This is so cute. I love this. Love, love, love. All right. So let's see what we got here. It's upside down. That's not gonna work. Right, so let me see. There we go. All right, so we got our washi here. Now I gotta put my glasses back on. Got the washi here. We got a decorative box, Be a Rainbow Amongst the Clouds. It looks like it's a reading theme for this. So we got our habit trackers, our boxes, our dots, our labels, our days of the week, date dots, some scripts here. I'm loving the colors. I can say that at first glance. I'm loving, loving, loving this color scheme. Right? Now we got this. We got some more washi. I'm loving this washi. We got the date headers here. We got some more date dots. We got some boxes. Got some checklists. Some cancel, reschedule. Yeah, I'm loving this. I am loving this mystery kit. And I hate when I love something because I never want to use it. Right? And then here we got our labels and flags and all of the things, the dots. So yeah, I'm loving this. Loving, loving, loving it. If at the end of the year, like she did last year, she puts her mystery kits back on sale, I'll do a video real, pop in and say, hey, she's putting all of her mystery kits up. If you want to grab one, now's the time. But definitely follow her. She has a YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok. I know she has a Facebook group. I'm not in her Facebook group. But yeah, Instagram. She posts a day in a life video every Monday. And I started following her because of her budget videos. So she does do Playing With Me videos. She does a day in a life video. She does, sorry about that. I was trying to, there we go. She does day in the life videos on Mondays. She does, of course, her videos where she do her new releases. She'll show you what the new releases are. She does budget videos. She sells budget stickers as well. So yeah, check her out if you're interested in that type of thing. So yeah, definitely loving this mystery kit this month. This is not helping my case for not buying one next month. All right, guys, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. I will link her shop in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video.